Hello everyone, welcome back to Gashwa with Khanak. This is Khanak Hajela reporting. Let's get started with today's topic. So many of you out there might be looking for new job opportunities, internships, but be aware of fraudsters out there who can scam you through job offers and internship. So in order to know more information on how to prevent such scams, do watch today's whole episode till the end. So Raju recently just lost his job and he was on a lookout for a good paying job in order to keep up with the inflation and the high prices. But Raju went to various online sites in order to get job. He registered on them, enrolled for different job opportunities, and after a week or so he got a call from a company offering him job after looking at his CV. They said that he has been shortlisted and there's no need for any interview or anything other. He just has to start work from home, and it can be considered as part-time. Raju was happy because he is getting a job opportunity which is paying good. It is part-time and it is work from home. Raju thought that there was nothing wrong from doing work from home and he agreed to do the work. You have to sign a contract with us before you start the job, and also we will give you an advance payment after you sign the contract. The next thing the person asked for Raju to send all the personal details that were not mentioned in the CV on the formal email ID of the company. Raju sent all the required personal details on the official mail of the company that was provided by the person, and it included the Aadhaar card number, the PAN ID, and etc. Now the next day the company had sent a person to Raju's home, and Raju signed the contract without even reading it and thinking about it once. Raju just took the advance payment and happily started working. For the first few months he got the remuneration as promised per month. But after 4 months, company started pointing out mistakes in Raju's work. And afterwards the company reshared the contract with Raju and told that you had signed this contract, and in this contract it is stated that if many mistakes you will have to pay as a compensation of 1.5 lakh. Raju was shocked and he thought that he should have read the agreement, and Raju's all the remuneration that he got before was taken back by company. Raju also had to pay the compensation for 1.5 lakh and he was again fired from the job. Now the scam that company did is that company was not a real company. It was just the fraudster offering Raju a nominal editing job, a nominal computer job of editing some documents, editing some videos, etc. Raju was paid as per promise just for 3 months. And the fraudster got a huge amount of 1.5 lakh from Raju, and he also took back the remuneration he gave to Raju. So be aware while registering or enrolling into any job offers, online or work from home offers, etc., or while even signing a contract. Keep these things in mind and prevent yourself from getting scammed. So what did we learn from this story? Point number 1, that never ever submit your personal details or Aadhaar card or PAN card without verifying the authenticity of the company you are giving it. Secondly, do not click on such malicious emails without checking if it's a verified job offer and it is an authentic company. Point number 3, be careful and read properly such contracts before signing them. And not only job contracts, any contract that you sign which involves money transactions, be very careful before signing them. Lastly, if you are a victim of such a scam, do report it to your nearest cybercrime station or to the official government website, that is www.cybercrime.gov.in. I really hope you enjoyed today's episode. We will meet next week. Till then, keep smiling. This will be the conclusion of our today's discussion. To watch more of this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll keep the videos coming. A KH production.